I'm delighted today to be speaking to Martin Andersen from UMA here at Zumthaus Zurmiesen here in Zurich. Welcome, Martin.
Thank you.
So we're about to do a panel event on life insurance and captives. It involves a range of sponsors and participants. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more about the event.
The event here is designed to try and help people understand in the industry how they could benefit from using captives, from PPLIs, and how to combine them, essentially.
Because we've got Vontobel, we've got Sophus, and we've got Advantage Insurance. So they're all got different specialisms, but they combine to provide the right solutions for clients. Do you often work with other third parties around solutions for clients?
Yeah, we do. The thing is, each client has a specific need that they need to us to help them with, and for that reason, we need to use different parties. Today, we're working with Vontobel, Sophos, and obviously as well with Advantage. The reason being that we have a great relationship with all of them. We know from past experiences that everything from setting up an account, setting up the insurance, everything works very smoothly. And for that reason, we thought it would be a great panel to combine because we know that it actually works.
And we're going to take also a case study and workshop approach. I mean, what sort of examples are we going to be discussing later on today?
Well, it depends on the panel. Some of the panels will be dealing with specifically captives. So they'll be looking at how can businesses better insure themselves? How can they optimize everything from cost to risk? The second panel will be dealing with PPLIs. So we're dealing more with how can we protect wealth on the personal level. And then we also have a panel with Vontobel, which will be dealing with how do we actually go about setting up the accounts in an easy way, because obviously with KYC requirements and everything else increasing by the day, that's not always the easiest thing, but they have a great dedicated team for specifically insurance at Vontobel, which really helps.
Do you see opportunities in certain regions for clients to use these structurings, which is sort of, there's an opportunity, it's not at the moment yet that well utilized, or what do you see for the global outlook for
it's the whole world? Yeah. That's the thing. Especially if we start again with captives, it's an international tool. Every company that has risk, which I think is every company, needs to have insurance. It needs to look to the future. And if you're of the right size, and that doesn't mean you have to be huge, you need the captive. With regards to PPLIs, I mean, this is an international solution. You can take it more or less to 190 countries around the world. So very international.
Because insurance solutions, that is one of the key strengths, is that they're in local law, there's clarity on how they're dealt with.
Exactly.
And also, I guess it's the full wealth spectrum, isn't it? You can use an insurance contract as a high net worth saver through to an international ultra high net worth.
Exactly. I mean, it depends on the country, like you said, because it's always tailored to the local market, and there might be different restrictions or different possibilities in different markets. And the nice thing about it as well, if you decide to move, which is something we're seeing a lot of clients are considering, well, my region right now is unstable, you can move with your insurance. You don't have to unwind it, pay it out. You can move it and just amend the restrictions or the possibilities within that policy to reflect the laws of the new country.
And for those who aren't able to join us this afternoon, I mean, what are some of the key messages you'd want to get across to them, and what should they do to find out more?
The key message is to really consider insurance as an investment tool, and to really think of insurance as more than just going to your insurance broker, to really think about how we can use it for your business, for your wealth planning, for inheritance planning. When it comes to what they should do afterwards, well, they should contact either Sophos if they needed help with the captives, or the PPLI or Advantage, to reach out.
Because there are bespoke solutions out there, isn't it?
Exactly. And it is a little bit of a complicated solution sometimes, but there's also, at this point, it's not a new industry, so there's a lot of competence out there to reach out to people that can actually guide you. And I mean, the clients will, at the end of the day, thank you for that.
Great. Well, look, terrific to talk to you today, Martin. We look forward to sharing this with our members.
Thank you.
The latest technical content delivered through global conversations with professionals for professionals.